Hey everybody, now I'm about to make a simple video about why this 2003 Nissan Altima wouldn't start. Okay, it all started with this 10 amp fuse. Okay, now when I initially tried to start it, as you can see, I got the key and everything in the ignition, and I changed it up, and it was real simple. In this car, I've done changed the starter, the alternator. You see the heat and everything is gone. The first problem that I had that I noticed that made the car not, that I noticed that it was a problem was this here. See, the light comes on, but the light wouldn't come on every time I pressed on it. Understand? So, first thing I went to was the last thing I remember. Okay, you got the fuse box here. Alright? Now, on here is a diagram. And if you notice here, get a nice little shot. On ignition, okay? These are all ignitions. You know, the O2 sensor, the meter, airbag, and electronic parts. Now, I'm going to demonstrate what it's like when that fuse is bad. Okay? So, walk with me for a second here. I'm going to go ahead and turn this ignition off all the way. Alright? Bear with me. Okay. Now this is the bad one. Okay? And that one way at the bottom, that was the one that was giving me the problem. Now we're going to take this one out and show you what's a good one. Can you see that? Fully intact. Okay? Like a horseshoe. This one on the other hand, flip it around. See it better. Broken. Now, if we stick this in here, I usually use, you know, some needle nose. Get that in there. We're gonna go ahead and push that in there with some needle nose. Alright. Now let's try it out. Nothing. Light comes on. Everything is still on. Nothing. Windows ain't nothing. You understand? But once you go ahead and pop this out, okay, put the good one in. I usually make sure that, let me get you a clear shot. I usually make sure my tin is facing the right way. Okay, this is the good one. Before you spend all your money, you might want to do this first. Now I pop the good one in, and then voila, everything is working. That there's how you change that. Something very simple. You just put your cover back on. Almost a lost day's work. Go to Uber. So that there is how you do that. Thanks everyone. Check me out next time.